Hello, my name is Lee. Today we're going to use the foot switch. Sometimes we can use the foot switch when automatic mode is not always applicable. If we're working with difficult pieces, we can then control precisely when we do the weld, when we're happy with our position on the electrode to do that weld. Okay, let's go ahead and connect the foot switch to the machine. First we power off the machine, we connect the foot switch to the correct connector, and we screw in tightly. Once this is secure, we can then go ahead and power the machine back on. We go ahead now and activate the foot switch. This is done by a long press. The machine will beep. There's now an icon showing us that we're in manual mode, and we can go ahead and hold our workpiece in the correct position. Once we're happy with this position, we can now press the foot pedal and do our weld. To deactivate this mode, long press on the pedal. The machine has beeped, our icon has now disappeared, and we're back in automatic mode. If you want to know more about Lampert Precision Welding, please visit our channel.